Now I can hear birds singing. Coming in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. You can clearly hear it. That's a warning to the elders who wrongly disfellowshipped me on the 2nd of June 2010, and I know what that scripture is. So earlier we had phantom smell. Well, it still smells now, very strange. I can't describe it. It's in my other video. That's a blackbird singing. And there's geese. There's a supernatural noise coming from that direction, the east. It's that blackbird. That's not right, is it? I just went out the front, the south. There, it's behind that number 13. And there's actually two. I can't describe it. It's been happening for a few months now. I think it's back in I don't know when it was, but there's actually two. You can see it. It won't show up on camera. I can't catch it on camera, but I can see it. There's actually two moons in the, like, the real one, and well, they're both kind of phantom looking. You can't see the. You just can't see it. They look very ghostly, and they're like side by side, and basically like a supernatural light is surrounding them, like, you know, just envelop the whole thing, and you actually look at it and your eyes go blurred. You can't hear that blackbird. This is 3 videos now of the supernatural. It's that blackbird. I know what that scripture is. I think it's in Ecclesiastes. That's a warning sign to the elders for cursing me, the king. I'll try and put the text up on the video if I can, if I know how to do it. That's definite blackbird. There's a bright star above me there. I don't know what that is. Let's try and zoom in. Oh God, what's that doing? That's gone supernatural. It's all happening tonight. There's a phantom smell. Seems to have gone now. What's that star doing? Oh, just been an earthquake somewhere. Indonesia's come up. I've got to find out what that star is up there. It's high up. Past south. You hear that blackbird? It's not even anywhere near dawn yet. Right, I'm going to stop it now because I'm going to get my bird app out and see if it'll recognise it. Bye for now. Right, this is my screen recorder. This is my Merlin bird ID. I'm just going to run it to see if a bird comes up. There we go. There's the proof. Eurasian blackbird. Blood and a carrying crow. What the hell is going on? This is really supernatural. Warning to the elders. That's actually blackbirds coming from the direction of it really is in the direction of the Birchwood congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses. Simon Eshelby was on my judicial committee and actually confessed to adultery because me and my wife had been separated for about 3 years and she wouldn't let me go back home. So I don't know why I committed adultery, but anyway I did. And the Simon Eshelby was the chairman, and David Seven, Baz Gilderdale and Bob Gash, and I confessed to adultery and I still got disfellowship. They're evil men. This is a sign for them now. It's in Ecclesiastes. I can hear geese now. This is the evidence. I'm not making it up. So we've got a Eurasian blackbird, common blackbird, and a carrying crow. The thing is, a carrying crow is a harbinger of death if you go and have a look. There's normally ravens or rooks around here. I've never heard a carrying crow around here. That's really weird. Oh, Watchtower going down on the 3rd of August. I've just put into action. I'm going to bring the news media in against Watchtower. That's already taken place. It's not, I've done something really good. You won't believe it. It's not picking up the geese. I can hear geese calling as well. It's not picking up the geese. You can probably hear that. It's not picking it up. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day now because I'm getting cold. Bye for now.